Everyone loves pizza. When you're a kid, you have parties for them. When you're a gluten-free vegan, you have options. Pizza might be the most recognizable, customizable, and universal food on the planet. It seems that on every corner there is a pizza place ready to serve you a steaming and delicious slice. And those slices are ready to serve because of one of these: the pizza display warmer. Sure, it's easy enough to plug in and start operating. But it's the subtle details that'll keep your slices and pies fresh out of the oven for hours. First, don't set it at too high of a temperature. And make sure to stay outside the bacteria danger zone of 5 to 63 degrees Celsius. Second, find a good humidity cycle. If you serve deep dish pizzas, you'll need more humidity to keep it warm. If you serve thin crust, you need less. It's a simple science. Lastly, and this is optional, but use perforated pans. The holes in the bottom allow for heat to transfer in and out from the bottom. Keeping your pizzas warm in an oven has the huge risk of overcooking and drying out. Keeping your pizza in a bag suffocates it and turns it soggy. Be proud to serve your creations while keeping them out of the oven fresh with a pizza display warmer today. See which model is right for you or your establishment at omcan.com.